Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read shuu or shuu in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means weak. It has 11 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shuu. A road wrapping once around the cycle of 7 days. Now let's write it. 11 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Konshuu, konshuu means this week. Maishuu, maishuu means every week. And shuumatsu, shuumatsu means weekend. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Shuu, read shuu, lap. Tsuu, read tsuu, to pass. So that's shuu, week. 11 strokes. Read shuu or shuu. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.